Well, here we are.
Yazy.
We have the posts in for the extension. So these posts are bigger, so you can handle more weight, which is good, especially if we decide to go up another level, because we're not 100% sure if we're going to yet,
Yeah.
but we might. So we're able to if we're
want
going to.
Right. We're just contemplating. It's a lot more work.
Right, and with the baby on the way and
Yeah.
things like that.
I'm basically useless, so it's a lot more work for him.
We could also do like 1.5, or we could do, you know, A-frame and have an attic up there to work at. There's different things we can do, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll just do one level and go from there.
Yeah, we'll see. They're cool though. So there's what, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 of them. Cool. That's awesome.
So we'll do 3 beams down the middle again. Build the floor on it and go from there. We don't have a pad, so it's a little dirtier this time.
Yep.
But maybe we'll bring the tractor up and back scrape it a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
But it's not too bad.
Nah, and it'll dry up too once.
Once you get the floor on, it'll be all good.
Yep.
And got a little tight there with that one, but it drains right by there, and it's all compressed down good, and we're good to go. So if you get an idea here, this will be like the front. It's perfectly lined up with that one for them to be lined up. But if you go over here, this is where the drainage used to be. What we're going to do is this window, most likely what we're going to do is take this out and have a doorway here, and then do a wall from just the side of it right up to just before this bathroom window. So if you get an idea, it would be like a wall here. It's probably about 14 feet from here to there, and from here to here is 12 feet. So it'll be like a big, probably a big mud room.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking, mudroom, and we could keep the kitty litter in there too, because we do have cats. So that'd be a really great spot
Like
for it.
Yeah, with another like little wall in there, kind of closet they can go in.
Yep.
And then maybe another entrance there.
Yeah.
There'll be another one over there too. And then with a couple more.
Yeah, which is nice.
As we go. But definitely one here, we think. And then you walk in, drop all your stuff here.
It'll
And
be
then
perfect.
also, we didn't do it yet, but we'll get out the front of it here. You can see this pole out the front to match the deck out here. So you can kind of see the end of this deck here. We could get a few more piles here, like 3 more here to build a beam here, and then tie it in with this deck. So you would have like covered porch like that one is. Then this would be an open porch.
Yeah.
And then maybe another covered one here. So you'd have like a covered, open, covered.
Be perfect.
And it would just be like one big deck.
Yeah.
Which would be pretty cool.
It would be.
So first thing is just getting this going.
Yeah.
We'll probably build this up, leave this like, won't get too crazy in this section, like this wall here, where this is gonna be. And then, so we can just cut out and go that way, and then go this way, and maybe get a couple more piles down there for the middle for that room we were talking about too. That's roughly what we're doing.
Yeah, we
That
love
could
it.
change a bit, but
Yeah. We
the
kind of.
piles are in, so it's going here. You can at least see,
Yeah.
and we can now, we're gonna at least start here.
Something's happening here.
Yeah, where I'm probably gonna be doing the vast majority of it myself. That's why we may just do the one floor, because we
Yeah.
don't know if we absolutely need 2 floors anyway. So
Yeah. Yeah.
if not, we'll be like, oh, this is, did we say it's 24 by 28?
I don't think you did.
So this is 28 this way and 24 this way.
Yep.
So to get an idea, that adds another 673 square feet, or so. I don't know. I don't think that's actually totally correct.
That's something.
73 doesn't make sense because that'd be an odd number. So
Yeah.
674 maybe? I don't know.
Something
We
like
can do
that.
the math and put it here. So we'll add that and then go over to there. And that may be enough anyways.
Yeah.
We wanted to get the footprint down
Yeah.
and then we'll draw up something.
What we're thinking is like cathedral area, maybe possibly like at our last place, and it would be like the living room, dining room, and then at the back of the house here, we were going to do our master bedroom and another bathroom, because the bathroom in the current cabin only has a shower. Obviously, a baby needs a bathtub, so, and we like a bathtub, right? So it'll have a full bathroom with bathtub in it. So that's kind of our plans right now. Rough.
Yeah, by the time we're done, we would have a full bath.
Yeah.
And then that's a full bath, but it's a shower.
Yeah.
So 2 in the house would be pretty good.
Yeah.
And then the kitchen will be right through there. You'd walk through
Right.
this mudroom area into the kitchen.
Yeah, so it should be good. Anyway, we fly by the seat of our pants, so it could change at any given moment.
Yeah.
But it'll be written on loose leaf.
Whenever we're building too, like, you know, some people, it could be frustrating watching because
Yeah.
we literally take it day by day.
By day by day.
But that doesn't bother us, so.
No, and this is why we do screw piles, because we can build a floor and not quite know where our bathroom's going to be until later on. because you can go just through the floor and over. Whereas
Yeah.
if we were to do a cement slab, you need to know where your bathroom is. You need to have a plan, and we don't plan very well. So
Yeah,
we
that's
prefer
how
this.
that's how much it's not planned.
yeah, yeah.
It's planned roughly, and then we just go with it.
We planned the floor size.
I think it makes it really fun
yeah.
to do it
So,
this way.
Yeah.
They're in though, and so you know you can look
Yes.
forward to some beams coming up here soon.
Yeah.
But we're just finishing up the floor in there. Just wanted to come out and show this because there's about to be a solar eclipse,
Yes, we have to get inside.
so we're not going to be hanging out here staring at the sun.
Yeah, not a lot of places get to view it like we do here in certain parts of Canada. We're a part where
Really?
we get to. Yeah, yeah. There's only certain places that you get to view it like we do, and it's I think 98% we get to view it. In Ontario, I know because I was talking to my sister, is like 99%, and Fredericton, Miramichi's 100% viewage.
Okay.
And then certain places in the States, so not everywhere will be seeing it. Yeah.
So those
cool.
are places in New Brunswick
Yeah.
for people
Right.
that have no idea of those places.
Right. Yeah. So it's cool. Anyway, we're excited. We got our glasses so we don't burn our eyeballs.
Yeah. Anyways,
Back
got
to the floor.
a tiny bit left of the floor. She just brought out some tape I ran out of.
Yeah.
So I'm going to tape those last couple seams and bring it up to there. And then that main part of the floor is done. Mm-hmm. So that's a really big step.
Yeah.
Because the floor makes a huge difference.
Oh, it really does. Yeah.
Okay, floor's all done. That's cool. So the 2 bedrooms, the main area. Now it's just the utility room, which I mean, there's no reason for that one anytime soon.
Yeah.
At least not yet. And the bathroom, which will get like a water resistant one to throw in there. I think, I'll look at that one. That one might work.
Yeah, it
'Cause
might.
I think I got enough left.
Okay, cool. And it's so thick. It's
So
probably.
maybe, yeah, right. I think it might be good. I'll look at it. It's actually pretty good stuff. So
Yeah,
maybe we'll roll that in there too.
that'd be sweet.
And then that will be complete. But we got the whole main area and the 2 bedrooms, so that's really cool.
Yay! All right, so we got the baby extension all started, which is awesome. And
The whole thing
Yeah, the whole
is
thing's for the
just
baby.
for a baby room.
Yeah, yeah, right.
That's, we heard, like, once this happened,
Mm-hmm.
shockingly happened. I don't even know how that happened.
You don't know how that happened? I know how that happened.
And now that's, what do they call that for babies? A room? What do they call that?
A
What's a
nursery?
baby's room? Nursery, right. So it's a 28 by 24 nursery.
Yeah, imagine. Holy
Yeah.
heck, I'm gonna just move into the nursery.
Yeah, I hope no more come then.
Oh, gee, yeah, no way.
You just end up with a whole complex here.
Yeah, just for each baby.
Yeah. Anyways, that's super cool.
Yeah,
I'm actually pretty excited to get started on that too.
yeah,
So we pretty much, like, other than the bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
we almost have all we can really do in there
Mm-hmm.
because we kind of got to cut out. I don't want to go and complete the kitchen and then have to go work around it and cut out to come this way, right?
yeah.
Because we're gonna, like, you know, have proper full kitchen in there at some point.
Mm-hmm.
So, but we don't want to go too crazy with it when you're going to be running, you know, right through that wall in there,
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
out here, and you know, you don't want to be working around that. And
Right.
it, literally, you can't even finish off a lot of it,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
There's still a few more things. We get a stove and fridge, and we're gonna sell the farmhouse whenever it makes the most sense and get over here and
Mm-hmm.
live in it while we obviously complete it. But as long as we can live in a completed part for
Yeah.
the most part,
Yeah, for sure.
and yeah.
Yeah, but it'd probably start out here ASAP, right? With the
That's
nice
what
weather. So inside can wait. You can do that in any weather. We can do it in the winter, whereas you can't really do this in the
Well,
winter.
what I was
so.
saying is you're almost at the point
Mm-hmm.
that it's at the max of doneness anyway, other than
The
the trim.
bathroom. Yeah, bathroom and trim.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
But they
it. The
can wait,
bathroom's
so.
even partially done. So,
Yeah, yep.
anyways, we're just rambling to each other.
Yeah.
So you will get to see exactly what we do.
Yes.
So, building an extension,
Mm-hmm.
finishing this, a self-built home. We're going to be mortgage free
Yay.
and all that, and we're in a great location, which has always been following us. That's always been an important thing. So
Yeah.
we got 20 acres here.
Mm-hmm.
Not as much as we had before, but 20 acres is plenty, and we're
Yeah.
surrounded by lots of land too. So
When we're actually closer to the towns and the hospitals and the doctors and everything we need. So
yeah, we're
20 acres is good.
still a little ways out, but
Yeah.
nothing like we were.
No,
More feasible for emergencies, things like that.
for sure.
And we also have a ton of deer here,
Yeah, so that's nice.
and still got bears,
Yep.
but not to the level we had them there.
Yeah, that we're scared. Me, scared.
Anyways, we're gonna just leave for now.
See ya.
See you in the next one.